Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing breakfast food. And what? Eggs for breakfast. Sometimes, nag-iisip ka, you want eggs for breakfast, pero how do you want to prepare your eggs? This time, I'll show you 4 basic ways of preparing this marvelous, majestic eggs. First egg natin is just simple fried eggs on muffin. Okay? Heat up your skillet. Put some oil, and then dapat hindi masyadong mainit yung skillet natin, kasi pag masyadong mainit, depends on how you want it. Pag masyadong mainit, ang mangyari, magba-brown yung edges niya. Some people like it that way. Some people gusto nila na white lang yung egg niya, tapos sunny side up. Okay, so this time we'll make it sunny side up on a not so very hot oil. Okay, so let's crack it just like this. And then open your egg. There you go. Just like that. So makita mo, ganda ng egg natin. And with this, just put a little salt. Yeah, a little on the white. This will slowly cook, and while we're doing that, we are going to prepare muffin. So yung muffin natin, ito-toastin natin, and doon natin ilalagay yung egg. Put the muffin here. Hanggang mag-toast siya. Alright. So now, na toasted na yung muffins natin, we'll put butter in this. Okay, masarap talaga yung muffin eggs na may butter. Spread butter there. Just like that. And while our eggs are cooking, and put it here. So this is how we make our eggs. And take it out. Oh! Ooh! There you go. Mainit ang itlog. Okay. And that's how we serve the first egg. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng konting chives to make it look good and taste good as well. Okay? So, we'll put this on the side para mamaya sabay-sabay natin ipapakita. Diyan muna siya. The next will be, gagawin natin, omelette naman siya we'll make omelette with spam, with onions, and a little tomato. Okay? Let's heat up our skillet. Onions, tomatoes, and spam. Let's open our spam. And then, sometimes when you try to open yung spam, di ba? Minsan ang hirap sometimes palabasin na ganon. So what do? The best is to put a hole sa likod para yung air niya lalabas. No? And then it will make it easier to come out. There you go. Okay? Now, how do I divide the spam? So, una, ilalagay ko siya kaputulin ko sa gitna. And then, putulin ko ulit sa gitna. So this way, I'll be dividing it equally. Yung size ng putol niya, pare-pareho. Ayan. Para hating kapatid. Okay? So we'll put this on the side. And then we'll prepare our onions and tomatoes. Onions muna. We'll use half the onion. Put it here. Take it out. Take out the skin. And then we'll dice this. Okay. Hindi natin kailangan lahat. Konti lang. That is all the onions that we need. Okay. And some tomatoes. See, when I prepare my table, gusto ko nandiyan na lahat. The tomatoes. And then just cut it in half. That's the way to dice it. Just like that. Easy. And then we'll cut our spam into small pieces. And again, di natin kailangan lahat. Konti lang. Just like this. Ito yung pang omelette natin. We put in some oil, some Doña Elena Pomas olive oil, just enough to coat the skillet over it. Unahin na natin yung tomatoes. Yan, para lutong-luto yung tomatoes. Oh. There you go. And then we put in our onions. So while we're waiting for that to cook, we'll put in a mixture of 4 eggs. We'll use 4 eggs for this. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we'll mix this just like that. Alam niyo ba na tong eggs, napakadami itong vitamins. It's very rich in vitamin B6 and B5, no? Talagang kung medyo stressed out ka, eggs is what you need. Egg is one complete meal. After that, we'll put in our spam. Okay. There you go. Mix this. Cook it properly. So pagluto na yung tomatoes, onions, and maganda na yung luto ng spam, we can drop in our eggs. Let's drop it in, just like that. Mix it well. Yeah, mix it well. And then from here on, you can already lower your heat. Okay, just like that. And we can drop in a cheese. So we'll fold it in half. There you go. Just like that. Oh, fantastic! How nice. Okay, and then turn natin. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Then turn. Oh, simple lang, no? And once it's done, we'll put this on the plate. Turn off your heat, and put this on top. Drop it in, just like that. There's your omelette. Again, it's always nice to decorate your food, make it look good, so that it'll look appetizing all the time. There you go, just like that. It's your next egg. So, dalawa na nagawa natin, no? The third egg that we are preparing is French omelette. It's very sensitive to cook it. Kailangan very balanced yung heat, controlled lahat. And we'll do this with 3 eggs. Maganda pag ilalagay mo muna sa separate bowl yung eggs mo. Kasi minsan, hindi natin maiwasan. Meron tayong mabibili na hindi magandang eggs, di ba? Haluin natin siya. Haluin natin mabuti. And then make sure na mix natin na mabuti. Wala na yung albumin niya na buo. Nag-mix na siya with the yolk. Nakita mo pag meron pang konti na nagbubuo na egg white. Mix it some more. And then we start by putting butter. We'll be using butter in our skillet. Put some butter here. So ayaw natin na masyadong mainit yung skillet natin. Ilalabas ko ng konti para lumamig. Okay. That's good. And then we pour in our eggs. Put this in low heat. We put in very low heat. Put our eggs there. And while you're doing that, what you want to do is just keep on stirring it, mixing it, stirring it. Yan. So ito, very slow ang process ng pagluto ng French omelette. You want it to be very soft, very soft. And then, at one point, hindi na natin siya gagalawin para magbuo na siya. Patayin natin yung heat niya. Then put in some butter to make it creamier. Pag maraming butter itong French omelette, this is the way they do it. So when you go to, for example, to a Parisian bistro, or if you go to Paris, this is how they prepare it, French omelette. Very slow cooking. You know. Very slow heat. Very slow heat. Turn it there. See that? So at this point, we'll transfer na lang dito. And once it's on our plate, beautiful. This time I put on the salt, just a little salt on top, just like that, and then put some pepper. Okay, this one here on top, like this. French omelette. Okay. So, nagawa na natin, sunny side up, omelette with the spam, tomatoes and onions, and French omelette. And ang last na gagawin natin is eggs benedict. So, it's poached egg. Usually, eggs benedict, meron siyang hollandaise sauce, but this time we're not using hollandaise sauce. Just put it on top of bread, again, just with salt and pepper, so that you'll see the different ways of doing simple eggs. Nothing complicated, just easy cooking eggs. So what do we need to do? Magpapakulo tayo ng tubig sa deep pan natin with water. We'll wait until it boils, and then we'll turn it off, and then that time, ilalagay natin yung ating eggs. Okay? So what I'll do is, habang hinihintay natin siya kumulo, halagay ko na yung egg dito. We'll do this, just like that. And then, we'll toast some muffins again. So, yan lang. So, ito yung mga ingredients natin. Today, it's just muffins, yeah, or just regular eggs. Okay, there you go. Mainit na yung water natin. What we'll do is, we'll turn this off. Kasi yung bubbling action niya is not good when you poach your egg. What we'll do is, put this here. Just drop your egg slowly. Drop it there. There you go. Yan. So makikita mo magkakaroon ng separation na yung medyo malambot o medyo fluidy na part ng albumin, magse-separate yan dun sa mas magandang, mas buo na white. And then the yolk, then this whole thing, we'll leave it there for about mga 3 minutes. And then while we're doing that, our bread is toasted. We'll get the other one. We'll put butter in this. It's hot. Ooh. Okay, good. Then later on, dito natin ilalagay yung poached egg natin. We need a slotted spoon for this. Pero before natin ilagay dito, ibababa muna natin siya sa tissue paper para matuyo. And while we're waiting, yan ko na rin yung pampaganda natin sa food. Slowly, tatanggalin natin yung egg natin. There. Be very careful. This is very delicate. Kasi yung egg yolk natin is cooked on the outside, but in the inside, soft pa siya. There you go. See that? So that's why important yung slotted spoon. Put it down here first. And I'll dry this a little. Gently. There you go. So from here on, we'll put in our egg. Slowly, just roll your tissue. There you go. Just like that. See? See this? Oh! Okay. Careful. There you go. Then, again, put in some salt, a little pepper, and some chives. So we have 4 kinds of eggs. It's your choice for breakfast kung ano gusto nyo. We have sunny side up, the poached eggs, we have French omelette, and we have omelette with spam, onions, and tomatoes. 4 ways to prepare your eggs for breakfast. I showed you 4 ways of preparing eggs. You can cook this for breakfast, for merienda, even for midnight snack. Depends on what time of the day you want to eat this. Okay, so thank you for watching Goma at Home. Like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong videos na lalabas. Eggs, you can have this anytime, anywhere. Try this. Minsan mahirap yung iba, but through practice, you get better. And you can serve this with your family and with your loved ones, okay? So enjoy your day. This is Richard Gomez, right here in Ormoc City, in Goma at Home. Bye. See you. Thank you.